Hey, today on 30 April, we complete 6 years of Memorial World, and I'm happy to announce it. Like without your support, it was not possible. It was a nice journey actually, and my channel is related to like trains and tourism. So it's like you can watch some videos from bus or from plane or total some tourist destination kind of thing. And it is a nice journey actually. When I started in 2014, that time I have not decided whether I will go for tourism or not. But then later, once I started exploring places, I started capturing those places also apart from rail planning. Till now, I have focused on South India places because I was staying there for 4 years. Later, I moved to Maharashtra and Gujarat. So still hoping I would cover North India once this Corona problem is over. So let's see. So basically today I have brought one quiz for you. So we completed 6 years. That's why there are 6 questions. I hope you can solve that. You can comment it one by one. Let's go back to the quiz. So rules are like there are 6 questions because we completed 6 years, and rule is like when I've taken out these questions, there might be multiple answers for one question because it may happen as per my research. If there is another train available in this criteria in other corner of country, it might be possible. But you can comment your answers in the comment sections below. So question 1. I represent my state. I don't leave my state at all, unlike other trains. It's very easy question. True rail fans will answer like this. Okay, question 2. I belong to superfast category train. I travel through 3 states. Okay, I start from first state, that's my source station. I end my journey in third state, that's my destination. I don't have any other halts in first and third state. I serve to second state. So it's like only first and third stations are in first and third state, and entire route is in second state. Who I am. Question 3. I'm daily running train. I serve 4 states, and my journey pattern is as follows. Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, Karnataka, Telangana, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Who I am. It enters 4 times in Karnataka. You can pause video meanwhile and then you can think. Question 4. I start from Metro City. Okay. I am a daily running superfast train. People take me for going to famous tourist or honeymoon destinations. I pass through 2 union territories on the way. My destination and source are not union territories. Then who I am. Question 5. I am daily running superfast intercity express. I have sleeper coaches. My run time is from evening to night. I run whole night. Who I am. Question 6. I start at Metropolitan City and end at Metropolitan City. I belong to the division of Source City. When I reach the destination, my last 3 halts, including destination, have the name of destination city in their name. Who I am and which are those halts. You can pause video meanwhile or go backward and then again read, and then you can comment your answers. I am waiting for your answers. And once again, thanks a lot for your support. Keep watching, keep subscribing, keep commenting and keep sharing. We'll meet you in other videos. Till then, take care. Goodbye.